We know that lacking understanding of the legacy environment is the catalyst for scope creep and failure based on the statistics we've seen. So planning and understanding what you have is the most impactful way to ensure a smooth and effective modernization project. It's broken into 4 milestones: legacy system inventory and analysis, collaborative discovery, delivery of converted code, and a modernization project plan and cost analysis. In the legacy system inventory and analysis phase, customers are offered an unhindered glimpse into the inner workings of their legacy systems. Customers are presented with numerous reports and diagrams to aid in understanding the application and planning proper, effective execution of the modernization strategy. These reports range in breadth and depth, covering topics from modeling diagrams to job control, even statistics about the size of the applications and complexity of procedures. No other automated solution on the market today delivers this much background, resources, and environmental intelligence for reducing risk and planning a successful legacy system conversion.